I'm sure you've heard the news. 2024 has brought some incredible Python IDEs. Let's check them out. First up, we have PyCharm. It's feature-packed with smart code completion, code inspections, and even supports web development frameworks, ideal for both beginners and pros. Next, VS Code. Lightweight, super customizable, and with tons of extensions, it's perfect for those who love to tweak their setup. Then there's Thonny. Simple and beginner-friendly, it's great if you're just starting your Python journey. How about Jupyter Notebook? It's a favorite for data science and machine learning projects, interactive with beautiful visualizations. Lastly, Spider, tailored for data science too, with a powerful variable explorer and integrated IPython console. A solid choice for scientific computing. So what's your go-to Python IDE? Let us know in the comments. Happy coding!